Want to boost your sales with just one email? Stick around because this simple post-purchase email trick could turn your content into a conversion machine. What is up, fellow creators? It's Ivan, your go-to guy for everything beacons, and today I'm hitting you with another monetization hack that's so simple, it's as easy as sending an email. Wait, no. That's literally what this is about. In this video, I'm going to show you how to squeeze more sales out of your digital store with a post-purchase email campaign. When someone buys from you, that's a big deal. They trust you enough to spend money on your product. And the best part, they're way more likely to buy again. So why not strike while the iron's hot and send them follow-up emails on your other products and deals to turn that first sale into a repeat performance? It's ridiculously easy to set up, and I'm going to show you how. So let's dive in. Now, before we start, make sure you have a couple digital products to sell and promote. In the store app, I have 2 products for sale. The first one is my digital product for sale that will kick off the email campaign. When someone buys this product, I will send an automated email that will sell them on my other product right here. To kickstart the email campaign, we're going to head to email marketing on the left-hand navigation. Click new email, then click on automation. Right off the bat, you'll be greeted with some email funnel templates. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's use the upsell funnel template. Now, we're in the automation overview. And here you can see we have 3 emails that will send following the purchase of a digital product. To start it off, let's configure the automation trigger at the top. Where it says after someone purchases a product, click on any product and choose the product you're originally selling. Now that we have the trigger set, next thing you can do is to customize the time delays by simply clicking after 1 day and choose the time amount your email will send after they purchase your product. Do this with every email. Now that we configure the trigger and time delays, let's get into customizing the emails. Click into the first email to edit. Change the design if you'd like, but the most important thing is to add your product. So, click the plus icon on the upper left-hand side and add a store block. Press select products and choose the other product you want to upsell. Edit the layout and design. And delete the store block placeholder text, and feel free to edit any of the existing text. Next, add a subject and preview line. If you can't think of any, use AI to do it for you by giving some details to go off of. Once you're done with that, click save and repeat the same process with your other emails. Quick tip, if you want to boost your chances of making a sale, throw in a discount code to create some urgency and watch those conversions roll in. If you want to know how to create a discount code, watch this tutorial right here. Once you finish editing your emails and adding your products, press activate automation, and that is it. This automation will run hands-free for as long as you want. Want to upsell a different product in the future? You can always edit the automation so your buyers are up to date on all your products. Amazing. You just set up an automated post-purchase email campaign that does all the heavy lifting for you. Now, every time someone makes a purchase, your other products get promoted automatically without you lifting a finger. It's fast, it's easy, and it's completely hands-free. So while your emails are out there boosting sales, you can focus on creating more awesome content. Or just kick back and let the system work its magic. Either way, your digital store is now a sales machine running on autopilot. If you want to try this out for yourself, click the link in the description and sign up for Beacons for free. Also, while you're at it, check out our other tools and apps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, check out our other videos, and hit that subscribe button. Give us a follow on our Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, and don't forget to join our Discord. Alright y'all, I'll see you next time.